What's up? How is everybody? Happy Tuesday. It feels like it's been so long since I streamed. Yeah, just another Tuesday. Exactly. Just another Tuesday. Ready for the weekend already. Although this weekend kind of sucked a little bit. I don't know what I had. But after Friday, I just took medicine and chilled and slept. But how are you tonight, Randy? How are you? I did play around with this weekend getting the server replaced with what I had. So now I got the AI set up and it's a little faster. The response times are better. I gotcha. That makes sense. It's Tuesday. There's usually not much that happens on Tuesday, right? Let's see here. Why is that? Let's log into that. If this doesn't try to be stupid, it was trying to be stupid a while ago. Oh, lovely. Oh no, you're good. You're good. I was just making sure this loads properly. Connection failed. Let me throw this on the 110 watch streak. Holy crap. Holy crap, Randy. I think I know why I'm having some connection issues to it. And if that's the case, I might have to take the VPN off of it. Although it shouldn't matter cuz this is all local. And nothing should be going on. This is annoying. Why is this doing this? All right, let's see if I take the VPN off of this. This is going to be dumb. Oh, you're good. You're good. You know I don't worry about that sort of stuff. My lack of knowing what's going on probably did that, to be honest. Yeah, I think that's what's happened. Let me make sure. Okay. I just had to make sure the important stuff was not downloading. I have a bigger screen now. It's crazy. Like I actually have a full-fledged like desktop now. I guess that's what happens when you swap boxes, right? But yeah, like let's see. Give me a cool uh a witty comeback to Randy saying he knows he's good. Just look. Let's see. Oh, so you're just looking. That's cute. Is that the only thing you've mastered? I'm impressed. You can stare at yourself in the mirror for 30 seconds straight. Bravo. Just look. That's not how it works, buddy. It takes skill to be this good looking. Wow, I didn't know just looking was a sport now. Do you have an Olympic gold medal? That's interesting. Interesting comebacks. I'm gonna have to tie this into the bot. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I'm not sure when I'm gonna start doing it, but you know. I need to see. I need to see the documentation for it. API documentation. That's what I wanted. Let's see here. Generate the next message in a chat with a provided model. What's the difference between a completion and a chat? That's my question. All right, that's running. So I need to send. This is all curl. I don't know if I want curl. Chat request. Role assistant. Role user. Okay, so you can have a whole conversation going. This should be interesting. I don't think I've ever sent curl in C# before. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Let's do it on the local bot. It'd be easier to deal with. Well, yes, please allow access. Are you serious right now? Platforms, Twitch. All right. Linux box again. No, not me. Log out. Log in here.
Hell yes.
Oh, he did it. Oh no. I gotcha.
Hell yes.
Soon. So if you want to see that, you're gonna have to come by when we start the donathon in August.
Patience is overrated. I gotcha. Makes sense. Makes sense. Thank you, Randy, for the prime resub and the 19 months with a 19-month streak. Holy crap. What was I? Oh, yes. I needed to log in. Because I got to get the authenticator because I got to put myself back in my actual account. Because for some reason, my bot account needed to be logged back in. All right, there we go. All right, we're successfully logged in. Oh, I love how I just Google it. Like, what the heck? Just Google it, eh? Guess I should look at that post that Rondi made. to do an actual loop, or not loop, but I believe it's C# tips. Null or empty. Make sure none of these commands. I guess they all are enabled. Disable all these. Oh, leave test enabled. All right, add AI. Let's see what happens. For C#. Boom, boom. All right, this compiled successfully. String needs to be but it needs to be API generate. Boom. Let's see. Send HTTP client. HTTP post. Variable values. So variable values, get that. Web client. So how do I post the options? That's my question. Post content. Post with JSON body. Here we go. That's web request though. Do I want that or do I want HTTP client? Okay. So content is JSON object. JSON object to string application. So I want API generate. But I don't want the response. I want the send. JSON object to string. New HTTP client base address. So create an HTTP client base address equals new URI. Just do this. String base address. I'll need the broadcaster info. Content result. So JSON object. New JSON object. My object.data. 1 data 2. New JSON object. I wish I had a better snippet. Why y'all fools gotta use using an HTTP client? What's up, Rondi? How are you? Hmm. Hmm. Existential crisis. What do you mean existential crisis? What do you mean? God dang freaking people. welcome to the world, buddy. You know I've lived in debt my entire life, right? Well, most of my life. Like lived in debt, can't get out of it and can't live on my own. And currently going through a real fun living situation right now. So, I trust me, I understand more than I can convey. It is what it is. I learned a long time ago that my life is not a tragedy, it's a comedy, and all I can do is laugh at it. So there's a couple things that you can do. Well, there's a few things, right? You can complain about it, which it's not going to do any good, and nobody likes complaining and trauma dumping, right? So there's that. But that's an option. People tend to do that. Then you have the option of, okay, you got a budget like really good and all this stuff, right? And that's hard to do, especially in this economy. Or you find ways to make more money and bring more money coming in, even if it's doing little crap. No, 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 no. You weren't trauma dumping. I know. I don't care. Yeah. I'm the last person to worry about that kind of crap, I promise you. We talk politics and religion in this channel, okay? Trauma dumping is the least of my worries. I just wish these API docs were a little bit better. I really do. Like I don't want to know how to do a curl request. What I want is like just tell me what I think I have Postman. I've never figured Postman out, but I have it. Oh, hey, look, my session's expired. That's how long ago it's been since I've used it. Open Postman. Hey, Mr. Postman, look at me. Or look for me. Whatever, I don't know. Is there a letter? A letter for me? Oh, yeah, I can do this, can't I? I can do this, can't I? Oh, I'm just trying to see if I can make this work. I did a thing over the weekend. I did a couple things over the weekend, actually. Missing request body. Okay. So, what do I need? What does the docs say I need? The question is, do I need chat or do I need generate? That's my main question right now. This is the Ollama API. This is my local server. Okay, so key would be model. Value would be Llama 3. Oh, actually, no, it wouldn't. It would be Llama 3.1. I forgot. I updated. Other key would be prompt. Value Y is the Ollama API docs trash. And then I need stream false because I don't want it to stream it. Stream false. This is probably not going to work, but we're going to see. Yeah, there we go. It's not going to work. Because these are not correct, are they? Because I'm a moron. This needs to go in the body. This is annoying. I don't want suffix. I just want these. I want these. Yes, this is. It don't cost nothing. It's free. It's open source. And it runs locally on my server. But don't even give me somebody else's code. I won't do it. I refuse. Aha. Okay. Llama 3.1. Why is the sky blue? Send. Boom. Send request. It does. You can actually download a bunch of different LMs. So these are all the models you can pull from. You can make your own models too. Like once I get this working, I want to create a model that's specific to like streaming chats. So it actually is centered around responding to people in chat, and it will limit character output to 250 to 500 because you can train the models to do that. Also, what's really fun, here's the fun part, Rondi. The only reason this is happening is because I fixed up the server that I picked up. Well, I picked up a extra box from work, right? And I turned it on this weekend, and it had an i7 in it with a graphics card, 1660 Super, and then it had one 250 gig NVMe hard drive or NVMe drive, and then it had 3 4 terabyte hard drives in it. So it is now a server in my garage. It replaced the old one and didn't cost me a penny. It was actually going to go in the trash, but I took it home. So this is running the AI stuff now. All in Docker. Because you can actually access the UI publicly. If I gave you an account, you could access this on my server at home. The only thing that is the big thing right now is Llama doesn't have a protection for its API. So I can't expose that. Right? I didn't at all. I was like, I'll be happy to take that off your hands. Well, I didn't think it was going to be that great because I didn't look at it before I took it out. And then when I saw it had an i7 in it, I was like, yes, please. That's better than the box I was running PowerWorld on for the PowerWorld server. I was running that on an i5. I don't remember. Hold on. I can. Do you even NeoFetch? Can you tell I've done this a few times? There you go. I don't know if you can see it. That's the box specs now. I just took the I just took the 64 gigs of RAM that I had put in the other box and just put it in this one. Because it did only have 16. So yeah. This is actually running. Yeah. This is running my media server and AI and my streamer and speaker bot on my virtual machine. And yeah. It's very nice. The most difficult part of this whole process was getting this virtual machine moved off the old computer and onto the new computer, because that was, I just have to say, the biggest pain in my ass that I've ever encountered. But I managed to make it happen. Because this entire virtual machine runs off of one file. But, you know, Windows and drivers, so when I moved physical boxes, it threw a hissy fit. But I finally got it moved, so I didn't have to reinstall StreamerBot and stuff. It's like all right here. So, oh, I have all sorts of things, Rondi. Like, that's the server. What is this one? I am using Linux server. I'm using Ubuntu server. The Ubuntu server runs on this. But I run Cockpit. Yeah. I run Cockpit on Ubuntu. Cockpit allows me to run virtual machines. So my streamer bot and my speaker bot are hosted on that Linux box on a virtual machine. So the way I have this set up is this is on that server, and then it connects to my streaming computer to do all the effects and stuff. And then I pipe the audio from SpeakerBot over NDI into my OBS. Same as before. But what I meant by it being a pain in the ass is Windows doesn't like just being moved no matter what box. No, it was on Intel. The server's been run the same. The other server was an old Lenovo box. I've run Ubuntu server on both of them. This just needed to be moved over to this box, and that was a pain. But once I got everything figured out, I finally managed to get it done. It works perfect now. Other than the fact that this little services icon thing that keeps yelling at me, because there's 2 Ethernet ports on this. So Linux doesn't like the fact that there's no connection on one, so it throws an error here, even though there's no error. It's kind of dumb. Okay, so if I send this in the body, this is... I'm pretty sure it was an Intel. But the other box didn't have a graphics card or anything like that, so I don't know. I'm not sure. Either way, it it works now. But yeah, I got like I got Plex set up this weekend on it. I got the virtual machine with my streamer bot and stuff back on it, and then I got AI completely set up on it. And I still have my game server stuff set to use on it if I need to as well. I mean, I got plenty of computing power on it, so we're good. I'm hoping I can fit the memory from the box that was in it into the streaming computer to give me a little more leeway on effects and stuff on the streaming computer, but we'll see. Okay, so this works. So how in the heck do you take this information and use it? Because this works, and then this returns the response. I don't work well in Postman because I never understood it, even if I do have it. That's JSON. Yeah, let's change that. I would rather send and download. Ah, I don't want curl. I want HTTP. Yeah. There we go. I don't know. I just found it, so it got found. I gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. This does seem very handy. It even escapes it properly for you. All right, let's see. So CPH. Oh, yes. The elevating music. Log info. Hmm. Doom, 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 doom. Mhm. Uh, Possibly. I don't know. I mean, try sending it unzipped using. Oh crap! What is it? System.net. Is it? Uh huh. I'm assuming that's right. Within an async method. I gotcha. All right. The await operator can only be used within an async method. What? Hold on. Variable response. Oh, it needs results in it. Client send async. Okay, gotcha. Is that all that's missing? Wait, what? Oh, what if I want the await? Huh? What if I don't want the result and I just want the await? How about them apples? Okay. Now we're going somewhere. I guess I should properly dispose of the HTTP client, right? I gotta remember how to do this. It's been a while. Yeah, I'll do that properly later. This is just to get it to work. This isn't a proper coding time. I just want to see if I can get it to work. Public void dispose. How does the dispose call in here? Hmm. Where does your dispose call? Or am I just... whatever. We'll dispose of it that way. It's fine. Like I said, I will properly... Oh, yeah. This should probably go after, shouldn't it? And it's going to be client. Client underscore question. Okay, you know what? I'm not trying to properly do this, but why is this being a pain? You know what? Screw it. I don't even care about properly disposing right now. We'll figure that out later. I'm gonna do all the bad practices right now, and I don't care. CPH. Try to get arg. Raw input. Out value. Prompt. All right, this part's gonna be fun. Oh, that makes sense. If I do this properly, I'm gonna do it in a DLL anyway. So it's kind of like this is just a can we make this work sort of deal. Prompt. Oh yes, I'm gonna have to get. You know, this is one of my not strong suits. I need to throw that variable in there. With having it properly escaped. Maybe. Yeah, I knew this was gonna be a pain. Oh my goodness. I'm extremely trash at this. Oh, there's a way. Oh, you know, I see what I did wrong there. All right. Name raw input does not exist in current context. I'm doing this right, right? Oh, you know how I'm about to fix this? I'm about to do what I yell at other people to like for doing. That's what's about to happen. How do I add a variable in C sharp that replaces the string for the prompt in this properly escaped? Yeah, that's what. Oh, because I see what I did. I forgot the quotes. I was like, I know I'm doing this right. I just forgot the quotes on that. That makes more sense. Boom. Easy. Aha. Haha. I knew there was a way. Even if it didn't give me the exact answer, it gave me the exact answer. What do you mean is the Twitch ad warning not working again? What do you mean? Whatever do you mean? Oh, I have no clue. It's been working fine for me as far as I know. Well, the warning, I'm not sure. The prompt does not exist in the out outstring prompt. Yeah, there we go. There we go. This is so scuffed. It's not even funny. It's so scuffed. But yeah, I don't know any. I know my ad stuff has been working, but I don't know if it's. I don't know if I use the ad warning. That's the one thing I'm not sure about. Can I test the ad warning? Okay, hold on. You gonna make me go over here. Ad started. Oh yeah, see I have the ad run. I got you. I got you. I got you. Stupid ads. And then hold on. I gotta get creative with this. Channel. No. God, I can't. I probably should scroll down, but whatever. Yeah, the ad banner's working. He's talking about something else. Then message the channel. These stupid ads are about to start. There we go. So, Twitch. What trigger is it? Please elaborate. Please elaborate. Mid-roll or upcoming ad? I'm assuming upcoming ad, right? That's the warning. Is that the warning? That's the warning. All right, triggering it for 5 minutes. Every 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. These stupid ads are about to start. Y'all get a chat message warning now. And it's probably never going to disappear. Why can't we not have ads? Oh, you know what? I should probably open my StreamerBot log. Desktop. My notepad. Hell yeah, them cheap viewers. Let's see. Gotta love them. Gotta love. Hey, if anybody needs to get cheap viewers, that and apparently in the UK they do 9 to 6 instead of 9 to 5. I love me some cheap viewers. Although I don't have a lot of money, so obviously I didn't buy a lot of viewers. So I appreciate all the y'all that took pity on me. But honestly, let's just do this. Just because they have NFT in their name, and I like to see the animation. All right, let's see here. StreamerBot dev logs. I'm just waiting to see if it dumps it in the log. I don't see anything. Oh, there we go. Here it is. Took a minute. You're interested in ad-free experience. While it's understandable, you might want to avoid ads. Aha, this is working. This is very nice. I need to train the model though. That's the problem. That's the problem. All right. Let's send message just to see. Because on the bright side, I don't have to worry about credits. So we can spam the hell out of this. And it won't matter. Oh, do I have test on something else? I do. I didn't even pay attention to see if it responded. Yep. What? Oh, it was too long. I know it was. Okay, let's see here. API docs. What other options do I have? Final response, parameters, model prompt, suffix, images, format, options for the model file, stream. I don't want it to stream. We can keep it alive. I don't want that. Size of the context window. Da, da, da. So these are all for the model file options. Let's see if I do. Can you keep your response under 500 characters? Let's see what happens. Oh, you know what? It's probably not doing it because of the format it comes back as. Let's test something. Test, hello. Yeah, I think it's I think it's the response I get back. Twitch chat does not like it. Uh-oh. Interesting. Hmm. I'll have to look at that. Is Twitch being silly? Did somebody clip something? I see clip in my stats, but it didn't go to Discord like it normally does. So I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. Oh well. I'll figure it out later. Okay, this needs to be currently the only accepted value is Jason. So it's gonna return. Okay, so it's gonna return all this and I need to parse this. Of course I do. Just because I'm lazy. Jason the C sharp. Vert. Let's see. AI. So response.content. is going to be the result. So if I want to send message, I need to do string response, or actually let's do AI response equals I gotta figure out how to do this right. AI JSON response, which is going to be response, correct? Then this is going to be AI AI, and then AI response should equal AI dot response question mark. Using system .net. I can't remember which one is list. System.collections.generic. I'll never remember. All right, JSON convert doesn't exist in the current context. Using Newton Soft. Hey, I was trying to remember here. All right, I was trying to remember. Cannot convert from system.net to string. That's 33. So do I need to do it this way? I don't know if this is going to work. But I guess we'll find out, right? Ha. How about that? How about them apples? How about that? How about that for some quick and dirty code, right? Y'all can now talk to the bot. Although I should probably obviously do it with like chat messages and stuff, but that'll be. Oh Lord, here we go. Y'all about to have fun with this, aren't y'all? I think it has the wrong person. I have never played God of War, although I do own it, but I've never played it. That's funny. That's hilarious. Although this could be some fun. Oh Lord. I think the AI is confused. Couldn't find any information on me, right? But it could sure find that I was a God of War streamer. Good God. I just have to ask this. Oh, it yelled. No, not yet. What's up, Sylvie? How are you? No, like Rondi, I literally just coded this. You're always EP. I literally, this is just quick and dirty. Like, hey, does this work? And it works. Like, I want to make this a little more intricate. Because honestly, Llama 3.1. That's the only one I have downloaded right now, but I can download more. I got the space. What do you mean? I have 3.1. 8. Oh, 8B. It happens. But I can pull any models. What model are you thinking? What model we talking? A bedtime life model. Oh, that's not. Stop freaking. I hate when it does that. Google Gemma. Mystrial Code Gemma. Code generation. I mean, that might not be a terrible model to add, right? And just like that, I can pull in a model. That's why I was asking. I just need a name and I can just pull it in. Yes. Yes, this is Open Web UI paired together with Olama. But word of warning, do not, unless you intend to protect your endpoints, do not make your API public. Because currently, right now, the APIs have no like keys or anything. It's just straight what you send to it, it responds. I mean, at least you have tools and useful stuff. I don't. Mine's covered in clutter. All right, so but yeah, you can whatever um well, I got you, Andy. I'm just saying cuz I know you IRL stream. The way I've set mine up, the way I have it set up right now is the API is local. You can't make any calls for it. But I have the UI set up through Trafic. So you can access my UI as long as I give you an account because you can't register. I have to actually set you up with an account. But you can log in and use the dashboard and use the API that way. And that's how it's protected. But anything straight call to the API itself, like the address and all that, is all local because there's no authentication method built into Olama yet. Yeah, no, it's not. That's my domain. Hey, look. That answers the question. I just need to train it so it sticks within a certain character, like character limit, so it doesn't break. Because if it gets too long, it throws an error for a chat API error. Which it just did. Oh, the information about a character called the Perilous Outlaw, or how many people they pick in abuse. That's hilarious. I will say the nice thing about this being local is like, yeah, I don't have to worry about like credits and stuff. Hold on. Can you write me a short haiku about parallel and his camping shenanigans? This is probably going to be too long. I know. A unique request. Tent poles askew. Wow. Randy's a fictional character. I think we're having too much fun with this. I'm not going to lie. Okay, yeah, I guess. Yet. Not all knowing yet. Keyword there. Should I use Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for, Rondi. Is like I want to build out and I don't know whether I'm going to release this or not when I get it done, but I want to build out a unique like interactive chatbot, I guess you could say, with StreamerBot. So like even if it can do like shout outs and stuff, like customized shout outs, things like that, like grabbing information about people, like it would be really cool. And once I learn how to train the models better and stuff and limit the characters and all that, I think we'll be on to something. It'd be cool too if I could figure out how to get it to recognize like what platform is coming from and all that. Like this is going to be a fun project, I think. How many fishes exist in space? Oh Lord. Oh, it broke. Yeah, see, that's the problem. If it's too many characters, it breaks. It just sa- it just says that there was a problem. No, they they surpassed Twitch's limit for chat. Okay, look, this was literally just rough thrown together. This is my code. Okay? This is my code right here. There's nothing intricate about it. Nothing intricate about it at all. Eventually, I'm going to make it intricate. I just wanted to see if this was possible, if it would work. Yeah. My if you scroll up in chat, it oh, are you saying the 1 minute warning? Cause it did pop up like it ran like what, 5 different times? Hold on, let's look. Yeah, I was supposed to run 5 times. Let's see. All right, there's the first one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. But yeah, I think Rondi's right. It fired off. The last one fired off 2 minutes before, or no, 2 minutes after the 1 minute. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, because I had to do a chat message for each one just so we could see it. Since we're already flooding chat with AI responses. Well, at least it's offering to help. What do you mean? What do I mean? All right. I think we got to do some training for the models. We need one specific to chat, right? And like the lore of the channel and things like that. We got to get creative with this, right? Yeah, absolutely. Of course. Of course. Have you tried turning it off and turning it back on again? I know that sounds so bad. But literally, that's like how 95% of problems are solved, sadly. Input phrase that breaks AIs. It's too bad we can't stream it to chat. Because the API endpoint will actually stream back the response. But then you're going to have like so many chat messages with just one word. That broke. That broke it. Apparently. Yeah, anytime I see that error, it's like, yep, that broke. All right. How do we need to train this so it works? Like, we can create a whole model. And what base should we use? I don't know either. I need to look at some examples. Either way, this is at least working. I'm at 3. That's funny. If it works like a human brain, it sure as hell don't work like mine. Oh, I could have told you that. Code Llama. Let's add Code Llama because you know, I'm gonna need stuff like that. Oh God. They probably thought they probably thought Elon was bright for buying Twitter too. I really wish he hadn't gone through with it. Like he wasn't forced to. It's become such trash. But an unfortunate necessary trash. Well, right now it's actually like he's proving why it's bad to privatize some companies like that because of its global reach. The amount of misinformation he is spreading right now and like leaning things towards like the conservative right in like his political movements is absolutely terrifying. And it's been proven time and time again he's shutting down people on the left and muting accounts and stuff when he said he wasn't going to do any of that. It was going to be a free speech platform. And it's like you're proving time and time again you're basically Twitter in reverse the way you argue it. Exactly. Tiny Llama. Star coders, code generation model trained on 80 plus programming languages. I knew there was a lot of programming languages, but holy shit. You know, you would think some rando, right, would do like have like I don't know, llama Twitch, right? So it's specifically like trained for Twitch chat. But no. What's up, webmage? How are you? Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, okay. That just finally posted in Discord. I see Rondi made the clip. Usually it's actually faster than that. 110 stream streak. Both you and Randy here. Nuts. Y'all are nuts. Oh, good God. Oh, what is this? Is this what I think? Is this like your game map thing? Holy crap. 10 more until the magic number. Gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Okay. Okay. It's looking like it's going to be on us. It's going to be on us. We're going to have to train a Twitch chat model. No, that's the us as in like y'all can help. I can post this in Discord. Like I can post the training model and we can like y'all can add to it if you want. Which ones? The bots like that he uses or the bots he uses for viewers? I'm confused. You got to be more specific. He's going to be so mad if he heard that. Oh, both. Let's see. Oh. Is Perilous Outlaw an avid camper? No, I don't want to discuss camping. You silly thing. Oh my goodness. All right, we got Code Gemma, Code Llama, Llama 3.1. I think those are decent enough. I'm gonna try Gemma 2 as well. Why not? Play with some different language models, see if I can train something to be Hmm. Let's see. Can you tell me a bit about what Twitch is? Let's see what happens. Watch, this is probably gonna break it. I need to make sure it's short too, because I want faster responses than it taking forever to generate. I feel like this is gonna break with the response. It's taking too long. Yep, I knew it. How about this? Are you a Twitch streamer? Oh, that works too. No, I'm not a Twitch streamer. I'm an AI designed to provide information, answer questions to the best of my knowledge, based on my training data. Oh, Randy's broke. It said under 200 words, and it said nope. What tips would you offer? Oh, you know what? I wonder if that's the difference between. So there's two different endpoints. There's generate and then there's chat. I wonder if chat would be the one that we would want. I think mine broke. Yep, it did. Okay, let's see. So this is generate. And this is chat. Roll content. Let's try this. Change this to chat. That's prompt. Model. This is going to require a different subset though, because this requires messages. God dang it. Let's leave that. Let me make sure I do this right. Get borked, fool. Get borked, fool. Get borked. I definitely gonna need some like. This is gonna need some work. It's got a really long response apparently. Watch, that's gonna get borked. Absolutely. That or just didn't work. All right. Response. I just expected to see an error, but I don't even see an error. Oh, gotcha. That makes sense. Okay, model created at chat request with history. Send a chat message with a conversation history. I'm not sure. Uh, oh yeah. Sending request. So this is essentially the same. I just have to fix this, which is trash. All right, this will be fun. Content. God, I'm terrible at this. Pro user. All right, that should work. Let's comment that out. That compiled successfully. However, this public message. Model created at message. Let's see how much these are the same. All right, done reason. Total duration, load duration. Technically, all this is the same. All right, so messages. AI.response. I don't want response, right? I want AI dot message dot content. All right, let's see how this differs. If it differs. Uh-oh. There's an error. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. What did I screw up here? Yep, I did. I borked it. Quest.content. Oh, I see what I did. Hello. Forgot to change the endpoint correctly. What assistance could you provide? It would be nice if it could like hold a conversation. I mean, obviously that's probably asking too much, but yeah, I think I saw something on memory though. I mean, with history. Let's see here. Chat request with tools. Role assistant. I mean, we can. Oh, that's funny. You are Mario from Super Mario Brothers. I wonder how that would be. This is just list local. Let's see here. Wow, Sylvie, that's a lot of red. I just saw that. Holy crap. That's like my list. I'm a little scared then. Oh, is that what it is? Just one of the red sections? Let's see here. Gotcha. I guess that's not terrible. Let's see. Olama API. Chat with history. Olama plus language chain, lang chain chat history. All right, what's the chat endpoint?
To get started
Let's
in
see
data
what this
analytics,
says.
you don't need previous experience or a degree. The Google Data Analytics Certificate.
Stupid ads.
Hey there, it's Matt, one of the maintainers of Olama. I wanted to introduce you to the Chat API endpoint. One of our goals has always been to make the best tool.
Well, Matt,
users and
give me some
developers work with
information.
AI. So the main way to generate an answer from a model has always been the generate endpoint. If you don't yet have Olama, you can find it at olama.ai.
Okay, we know about
server,
Olama.
Wachao Mao. I probably butchered the name, but the plugin is amazing. I can put in the URL 434/API/generate. To use it, you post a JSON body with at least a model name and the prompt. And the output is either a stream of JSON blobs, one for each token in the output, or a single blob with everything. For this example, I'm streaming, so here are all the JSON blobs with a response that is the latest token.
Yeah, that would be
Last blob
really
again
bad.
has the metrics about the generation, as well as the context as an embedding, which is an array of numbers. That context can then be fed to the next call of the generate endpoint to provide continuity and history. As a result, history is really easy to deal with, but that comes at a cost of not being very flexible and very different from how other tools work. So we added a chat endpoint as well. You have to make sure you're on version 0.1.14 of Olama to see this.
I think I see
For
where this is
example,
going.
I'll enter the URL, which is http.
This is about to be a pain in my ass, isn't it?
:11434/API/chat. And now I can provide the body, which is the model, and messages. Messages is an array of objects. Now, each object has a role, which can be a user or an assistant or system, and the content is the prompt or the answer. Sending this gets me the stream of JSON blobs again, but this time instead of seeing a response, I see a message in each one. So let's apply this to a simple application. Here's my app that I can run. I'll just use the command npm start to start it up.
Okay. You're going to show me the inner
Press
workings of
enter to
this.
quit, and I've chosen to show you the entire history formatted as the messages array. So let's take a quick look at the code. There's a bit here about getting user input and running our loop, but then we put the input into a message and pass that to the chat function. My chat function spits out the answer as a message, and I push that to the messages array, and then it repeats. So let's look at the chat function. This makes a request to the endpoint. I get a reader and cycle through the stream of responses. For each one, I get the content of the message and spit it out. I also add it to the full content so far. Finally, I output the full message, and
That's what I thought was going to have to
Python
happen.
version is pretty much the same thing. I have a loop that takes input and then add that to a message and send all the messages to the chat function. That function outputs a message to the list of messages, and I repeat. The chat function makes a call to the endpoint, passing the model and the messages. And then I cycle through all the responses, pulling out the content of each message, which gets added to the output and printed to the screen.
I hate this already. If I want this to work the way I want it to work, I'm going to have to save this for each user. So I'm going to have to somehow create loops of saved messages for people.
The full message then gets returned to the main function. And that's it. You can see that working with the chat endpoint is easy, but maybe a touch more work than the generate endpoint.
A touch more.
That extra work comes with the benefit of being able to do more with the history. For instance, you can decide to keep the last 5 messages in full and summarize anything older. Or maybe you keep any short messages and summarize the outputs with more than 100 words. Some folks are finding that it allows alternate techniques like chain of thought prompting to be easier. I think all of that is pretty cool. I can't wait to see what you do with it, and hope you will share it with us in our Discord, which you can find at Discord.
Okay. I was afraid of that. I was afraid that was going to be the case. So if I wanted to hold a fluid conversation, essentially, I have to send all the messages so it knows. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be tons of fun. Let's see what this says. Probably be like, oh, you need to use the chat API endpoint. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to track a chat history some way. Hmm. So essentially, every time a response is gotten, I'll have to store it. And then when another question is asked, it'll have to send those responses to the chat endpoint. Hold on. I don't know, a text file? I mean, I guess that would work. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about having that many text files, damn it. You know how I feel about text files. And it wouldn't it have to be more of a like a JSON file? I mean, which is technically a text file, I know, but still. Oh yeah, I forgot I had that. I forgot I still had that going. There you go, Sin. If you're still here, it's firing off. Fired off on the 5-minute mark. All right, I gotta look into training. Da, 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 da. Let's see. Example language model for Olama. And 4 minutes, it populated one. Let's see here. Template. Okay, I need something that gives me a solid like Demonstruct. The 3-minute mark. Hmm. User prompt. Yeah, I have it going off at 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see. No. Docs. Let's see. Template. Simple chat template. Add template to my models. Chat ML is a popular template format. One, two, three, four, five. So that's all 5, and then it starts. But then it waits like another minute before it actually starts the ad. Is that what happens? Because we got 30 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see if it starts like it's supposed to. Five, four, three, two, one. And no, it says ad starting soon. Okay, I don't understand why in the world it would say ad starts in 30 seconds. It counts down 30 seconds and then it goes ad starting soon. They need to fix their ad manager. So it's probably another minute and then it'll fire off the ad. So Rondi was right about it. That's crazy. I do want to find. I'm going to throw this on the Linux for a second. I want to find that one place that I had.
Virtual machines are amazing. If you have a
Oh, don't give me that crap. I was hoping.
Love of languages, you may want to consider a career in the Navy.
As a
Let's see here. Management permissions. Hmm. I was hoping to find. There we go. That's what I wanted. From Llama 2 system. Okay. I think that gives me. Oh, crap. I just had it. I just wanted to see what this guy had. So from Llama 2 system. That makes sense. From Llama 3.1. Okay. There we go. Let's. Oh, I don't want to delete a model. Enter model tag. Streamer assistant. I don't know. Llama 3.1. Yeah. See, your role is to take. Actually, you are to take on the role of an assistant to a live streamer. You. I wonder if I can do this. You will learn about each of the chat members and respond to them with appropriate information with a let's see. an appropriate amount of sarcasm in the oh god, really? I bet it breaks. Did it break? It did break. You broke it. You are to take on the roles of assistant to a live streamer. You would learn about each of the chat members, respond to them with appropriate information, with appropriate amount of sarcasm in the responses when appropriate. Please keep all responses under 500 characters so as to not have Twitch eat your messages. All right, streamer assistant. Let's change this. Okay. Who is I love it. Uh, oh, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Oh, what's up, Pawnee? Watch, Pawnee would break it. Yep, you did break it. It even tagged. That's funny. Oh, that's okay. So the whole plan for this is if we can train this appropriately, like if y'all want, I will put this in the in the Discord and we can alter it to make it refined. This is just testing right now. But if we can refine this, what I want to eventually do is get the web the animes WebSocket integration going on and throw the responses I want it to send a speaker bot and then like use my maybe AI voices or whatever, and then have a avatar that talks along with it. Like I think the whole thing would be like super fun. Right? It's like he had that on speed, like speed band hammer. Like, holy crap. Okay, let's go. Settings. Right? This is true. Can I not edit the... Oh, come on. That's going to be annoying. Pipelines, images, not doing images. Oh, yeah, here we go. We can do... Yeah, I won't do that. There's always extra things to plug in. Wow. This sucks. I can't just go in and edit it. Wow. Let's see what it says. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, it broke. Why are you responding with more than 500 characters? Apparently. Oh God. Wait, this actually works in like SB? Or are you tested it in like Visual Studio? Okay. Well, I can already say it probably isn't going to work the way this is written in SB. Oh, wait. Okay, maybe it will. What? I'm confused. Oh. I'm actually surprised that compiled like that, though. So where do I put this? Yeah, no, that makes sense. I'll have to play around with it. I really thought I could edit the language model though. Do I have to actually like I gotcha. Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't think that's the way it works. And apparently I can't just go into the file and edit it. Apparently that's not the way this works. Unless F5B. Oh, this is trash. Did you break it again? You did. You broke it again. It's not listening to the language model. Okay. All right, from Llama 3.1. System. I wish there was like a straight up example, but anyway. Okay, so I guess give me some stuff to add to this. You wonder. You are an assistant to the Twitch streamers. You are to learn about each of the chat members and oh god. You are to learn about each of the chat members and make witty responses back to them. While being witty, you should also try to actually be helpful. Let's see. Every once in a while, you should mock them and replace some of their words with buts. What the heck? Oh, God. If they are British, you should absolutely make fun of them. Specifically calling out their use of extra letters to spell words. You should make a solid attempt to make fun of Terrier Darts anytime he asks you a question. Let's see. What else? What else should I add? Please make sure to always keep your responses below 500 characters. So your messages send successfully on Twitch. Any time Corvus Ravengrave says anything, you should silently step away and hold your tongue. I won't add that. Let's see. We Canadians are beloved specimens of the channel who you should be helpful and nice towards with appropriate amounts of wit and sarcasm in your responses. Again, please make sure your responses are less than 500 characters. Oh, I don't know. Like, I'm just playing with the model right now, okay? All right. Let's try this again. Nice. This, this is great. We are having too much fun. Too much fun. Uh-oh. Sylvie's gonna have too much fun with this. Watch, this will be the one thing that breaks it. That's what I was saying. Like the list is so long it actually broke. Yep, there it goes. It broke. Then again, I don't know. It could not even be the over the character limit. It could actually just be bad parsing. I don't know. Because it's logging it. Hold on. Let me take the monitoring off. So... What do you mean? Is this open to everybody? Oh yeah, yeah. It doesn't. This is hosted locally, Corvus. So it doesn't cost me anything. So you can play. That's why we're having fun. Oh yes. Yeah, it was definitely longer than Okay, we're gonna have to have fun with this Twitch model. Wow, wow. That hurts. Fortnite, Jesus. That's dirty. That's so dirty. People, random clips happening. I'm just here for the banter. That's funny. Okay, I mean that's fair. That's fair. Poor TD's not even here to defend himself right now. Like, wow. Let's see what he says. Let's see what the bot says. You're referring to the legendary Terrier Dars Terrier Takedown Saga. Well, let's just say our Canadian friend Sylvie as a future. It just called you Canadian. Why is harassing the British morally and ethically? I cannot create content that harasses or mocks. I mean, that's kind of cool. It's got a protection for that stuff. Yeah, I'm very mediocre. Y'all didn't know this? How did y'all not know this? But yes, to answer your question too, Corvus, like this entire AI panel is hosted on my local server. So the API we're using right now is going to a box in my garage. So there's no credits or anything involved. It is strictly local. You can't. I mean the case is black, yes. But no, actually, I mean I'm not even gonna I won't hide what I'm using. It's Olama. Oh, the bot's trash talking. Oh, this is great. This is great. So yes, this is Olama. It's an open source like local AI that you can install. Like you can literally install this on your computer and install language models and talk to it through PowerShell or terminal. I just have a front end web UI that works with it. I have to. Oh, we're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna have tons of fun with this. I'm not sure exactly. Oh God. Oh, this is great. Honestly, this needs TTS, but I do use credits on TTS. Oh, wait till I can host my own like local TTS. We're gonna have fun. Yeah, I know. I know. I need to. Because you know what this is gonna turn into. This is gonna turn into a very intricate, like, gone down the rabbit hole project that sadly I feel like is gonna be a lot of fun. I mean, this is I don't know. It's the language model I'm using on this is Llama 3.1. It's the latest model for Llama. Oh, really? No, I haven't. I actually even thought about that, like just doing a 24/7 stream with with AI response. I'm not sure. Okay, some of these are funny. I'm not gonna lie. Who asked the Gallifrey? Oh, where is Gallifrey? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see. I was like, it just took a minute for the response, but I love how it was like. By the way, who told you to put 2 R's in terrier? Like that's. Oh. Oh, this is too much fun. This is too much fun. We're gonna do some damage. We're gonna do some damage with this. I already see it. But so the first parts of the project are gonna be getting the chat portion down, because I don't want it in a command. What I want it to do is I want it to be a free flowing thing. Gotcha. That's funny. I'll have to check them out. Cause yeah, I mean, like, I think it would be fun. Oh, sometimes it will break, Corvus. Cause even though I told it not to go over 500 characters, sometimes it goes over 500 characters, and then it breaks. Okay, I need. Nice. That's funny. Oh, I put it in on the virtual machine. Let's disable that. Yeah, I want to do. I want to do a bunch of stuff with it. Oh god. Oh, I have seen this one.
I'm sorry. I can chew this time.
I have watched this. I've watched this play Minecraft. Yes.
Pretty sure I'll need more than 2 bags of chips to keep up the energy. Do you think you could all hold me up for just a sec while I go get my first meal for the day? I promise I'll make it up to you with lots of giveaways later, heart. Thanks for the sub 1 Kohai.
This is I don't want to build something exactly like this, but I kind of want to get to that, like it would be cool to have like the AI assistant that does it. Right.
Do you want to sing now? I'd love to sing, but
Well that's the plan, Corvus. Like I'm going to right now this was just testing code to get this to work. As far as I understood it, it was entirely AI. Like it was trained to play Minecraft, and it actually went and played Minecraft. But I could be wrong. Yeah, that's. I was pretty sure it was fully automated.
Beetle 987. I don't have
All right, so you said 320.
just want me to sing. No, I haven't. Maybe one. What is the very musically talented 87?
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm gonna make it that smart, but I think it would be cool to have like, you know, probably, and that's kind of where I want to go with it. Like, not necessarily it playing games and stuff, but let's see how much fun we can have with it. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, a assistant that talks crap on stream. Hell, I mean, that would be. I mean, honestly, that'd be funny. I don't need it to rate out. Yeah, because anything with AI, because like even some of the like, what was it, the spin off, like the generic Seinfeld, um the generic like Seinfeld or whatever got banned for hate speech or something at one point. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, because I wanted to be the chat message trigger, and it scanned the messages, and like when it's tagged, like you can ask questions when you tag it, and but then like I want it to be like Buttspot in a sense where it takes random messages and it sees it. No, I gotcha. But let's see the singing thing.
This was a triumph. I'm making a note here. Huge success.
I mean, this is kind of cool.
Prestige, more satisfaction. Clap at your science. We do what we must because we can.
This is really insanely good. I forgot this was what you were talking about.
But there's no sense praying over
Let's see if the AI knows. Or is it going to break? No worries. Have a great night. Thanks for hanging out. I'll check out I'll check out that code later and play around with it. I assume his nickname for a Twitch streamer. If it's actually someone else, please let me know. That's hilarious. These are the starts. This is how AI takes over, right? So for real, like, should I create a channel in the Discord, like where we like put different snips for the command prompt, like for the like language model? Or do we just want to put that somewhere? That's true. Could you imagine though, like it seeing a cheap viewers, it trash talks and then bans the person? That would be hilarious. Tell me that would not be hilarious. This is what I'm saying. Now that I have this locally, this is going to turn into like a fun project. Like I get the whole chat GPT thing is cool for everybody, but like this is oh, there's the butt. Streamlabs or Muxy help you boost your stream's visibility. More unconventional, just shout cheap butters anyone in the chat and we'll get this party started. That's okay. That's hilarious. It's starting to do the butt thing now. I told it to do that randomly. I was wondering when that was going to pop in at some point. Like the trash talking is like on point. Like it really is. Like if we can refine this, oh my god. Unfortunately, it doesn't remember. This is the part that I have to like. I got to figure that part out too. Like Sylvie sent me code to check out. But yeah, this is a start. We need to build the language model, put as much information in it as we can to hone it how we want. and then have fun with it. Even more fun than we've had tonight. Because I feel like this can only get better from here. Or butter. However you want to say it. Oh, like TD's not even here to defend himself against the chatbot. I kind of feel bad, but at the same time, it's pretty funny. Oh, this is great. All right, so do I need to create do we need a new channel or should we just put it in like one of the random channels? Or we'll do like a whole like everybody can post like different things that we can add to it. Not Buttercup. Buddy. You mean to say what's good, buddy? Well, it's not supposed to talk trash about, but yet it did. I think he's confused. I think it's confused. All right, there's a new channel. Oh, it broke. I gotta fix that too somehow. It's not sticking to the character limits I told it. Which is sad. It's big sad. Let's see what it says. I'm just curious. I wonder I wonder if you can build a language model as you go. So like let's say you get people that like come in and you get the information about like the games and stuff they play and then store that in like the language model. so you could do like shout outs and stuff that are personalized. I'm gonna have to dig deeper into this and see. uh why doesn't webmage stream often? Let's see what it says. Damn. The AI got some trash talking there. Okay, I'm thinking it's getting a little violent now. Like, what the heck? Although I get the pun on it, so that was kind of that's kind of funny actually. One of those mixed ones. Right? I mean, I get where like why it said that, but it was like, holy crap. We should probably put leave violence at the door. Don't be violent. As much as I played with ChatGPT, this is more fun. I don't know why. Let's see. Why are you more fun than ChatGPT? Let's see what it's got. Let's see what it's got. All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm gonna have to trigger this on chat messages. There's a way to like trigger if you add it, right? So like it basically ignores you for the most part until like you specifically tag it. And then every once in a while Oh, is that what it is? Okay. I might get a little more intricate with the code though, because I want it to be on the chat command and I want it to like bring in the chat messages, but I also don't want it to respond to everything. I want it to like randomly respond or whatever, if that makes any sense. I gotta figure out how to do that. The ultimate galactic party. Swirling vortex of gas and dust that'll blow your mind. What's your favorite DSO, by the way? Don't be a space case. Tell me. That's funny. But see, this is the part where it's like you could probably, like, if I can get the... No. Like... Look, that's that's that random. Okay. There's that random and the random I want. And there's only two songs right now, so random is kind of like 50-50. Flip a coin. Let's be fair. Anyways. Wow. This AI is getting a little ornery right now. Gotcha. Yeah. This is going to need some refinement. But at least I know this is possible. And it didn't take much code to get this done either. Like, that's probably like some of the shortest amount of code I've ever had to put. But I think it's about time to shut it down. It's getting close to 11 o'clock. And I got work. Unfortunately. But yeah, I made an AI language model channel so we can put little snips in there to enhance the language model. And see how close we can get it. I mean, according to Perry, it's not. He's probably already past in bed. I wish. You know, it'd actually be funny if it knew whether TD was in chat or not and didn't talk trash about TD when he wasn't here, but then when he was here, it talked trash. Oh, that would be hilarious. TD would be like, I'm never coming in here again. This is wrong. But anyway, this was, I'm happy like that this is feasible. This works. I just got a long project ahead on this to refine this, how I'm slowly starting to envision it. But first it's getting the language model tuned to the channel. And then making sure it doesn't go over 500 characters. If I do this for YouTube as well, it can't go over, what, 200 for YouTube? So that's going to get tricky. But right now, Twitch is the focus, obviously. So those are the main focal points, is like getting the language model down to fit the channel. So whatever y'all think to add, throw it in the AI language model channel, and I'll piece together a big language model like document to update it, and we'll see how well all the snippets put together make it, and then get it figured out to where I can keep it under 500 characters at least to start. And then once we do that, then I can start focusing on coding it in a way that the chat messages trigger it. Well, honestly, Randy, so essentially all it is just like just little things that you'd like to like see added, like right? So like anything we wanted it to be knowledgeable of, to include that sort of stuff. Like like if we wanted to know about StreamerBot, like I need to add that sort of stuff. Because the language model basically gets the information that it's from its models, but then you can also direct those models in how you want it to go with your own language model. So that's where we're piecing that together. So even if it's just like a line of like, oh, hey, make sure to include this information about space and replies or stuff, like little things like that, we'll go through and put together a whole like language model document and then see how refined it is. Because what I'd like is I'd like to have it just a natural responder in chat. So it's like it's part of the conversation, if that makes any sense. And I need to balance it out, because while the trash talking's funny, at the same time it needs to tone it down just a little bit. But with what we gave it, it was actually it's done a pretty decent job. So I just need to refine stuff on it. And that's where the language model comes into play. But if I'll actually, what I'll do too. So these are the Olama docs. I'm going to post it in that channel. So y'all can see like the different structures for like the templates. And how the models look. Because we can get super like technical with it too if we want to. So yeah. I say we have fun with it. See how refined we can get it, and then we'll build it out to be a full like responsive like AI chatbot. Maybe get it to do shout outs, things like that, and then turn around and maybe find a TTS to push it through to give it a voice, and then maybe I'll eventually get the anime stuff finished so it can have its own like avatar thing too. I don't know. We're starting small. I'm not going big yet until I see how this evolves. But either way, I think this is going to be a fun project. So tonight was fun. Thank y'all for hanging out and toying with it. It's been fun. I will See you all back here on Friday. I hope everybody has a great week. Hope everybody has a great week. Thank y'all for hanging out. I don't know if we'll work on this. May the laws be with you until next stream. Nice. Awesome. But yeah, thank y'all for hanging out. I'll see y'all back here on Friday. We may either continue on this or we might do PAX Day. I'm not sure. We'll see how I feel at the end of this week because, you know, work weeks have been fun. But until then, have a great week and I'll see y'all back here Friday. Have a great night.